we're going to make ginger rasa chicken biryani. Nice flavors will pump in and you will be saying, wow, whatever. Rice, the chicken pieces, everything so perfect. Along with that, we have this fantastic raita. Hello. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to another session with your Vahchef, and today we're going to make ginger rasa chicken biryani. Yes, I've got some chicken pieces which are the trimmings and leftovers. I'm going to make a nice biryani, and that too with the nice ginger rasa ingredients. Of course, biryani masala, everything is added here. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some coriander, cumin seeds, some peppercorns. So all of this, put it in the dingchik and crush them. Once you coarsely ground them, put them here. In this, add chopped ginger. Even crushed you can add, but what happens is when it is crushed, a lot of times bigger pieces people remove it off. When you chop it, everything goes in. In this, we can add chopped coriander, tomatoes, green chilli, salt, crush all of this. You know, this brings out the nice flavors out of this. The aroma is just outstanding. In this, add chicken pieces and look at them. Mostly the chicken trimmings, not the great pieces, but it will be super when this is done. Just let it rest like this for an hour. That's when the chicken becomes nice and tender. And you can see how some of the juices are coming in. But I'm going to use 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to add 4 cups of water in this. The salt what I added for the chicken was right enough for the chicken, but for the rice, of course, I'm going to add some more and mix it well. Always make sure that the water what you are adding is nice and little bit salty so that it comes out perfect. You can add 1 teaspoon of oil in this and keep it ready. We go to the rice cooker. We're going to take this chicken with the nice ginger rasam flavors into this. On top of this, we are going to add the basmati rice, which I have soaked for 15 minutes. So, take the rice, just sprinkle on top, just spread the rice, add this salt water on top of this. Put the lid on and switch on the rice cooker. So, the chicken pieces are lying at the bottom, the rice on the top, and you're going to let it cook till much of the moisture is gone, after which we're going to add the masala. Nice ginger flavored, this rice will be super tasty, and later I'm going to show you how to make this even more wonderful by adding the biryani masala on top. Very simple technique. You can use this technique to make chicken biryanis, but I'm also going to show you rice cooker and normal pressure cooker, both combo biryani, and that is going to be awesome too. What do we eat with biryani? Mirchi ka salan. It is the favorite. But today we are going to use the same mirchi and we are going to make a Mirch Bajji, cut mirchi raita. So that will have that nice mirchi flavor to go along with this biryani, and it's going to be super. So for this, first I'm going to just crush some of the peanuts. You know how in the salan we use peanuts. So this peanut I'm going to make a powder. These have been fried. So this is going to be as a stuffing in the Mirch Bajji. In the tamarind, add a little bit of salt, some cumin powder, red chilli powder, and the crushed peanuts. Mix all of this. This is the peanut masala. But when you cut mirchi and fry again, masala will come out. So to avoid that, we are going to add a little bit of chickpea flour into this and mix this. So this will be a nice binding. Now you have this mixture ready and perfect. Take the green chilli that have been cut, seeds de-seeded, and put this mixture inside and do the stuffing. Once you finish this, we are going to make the besan batter and fry. Making the Mirchi Bajji batter is very simple. Take the chickpea flour and just very little of rice flour. This rice flour often gives a little bit of that crunchy effect. In this, add the carom seeds, the ajwain seeds, add salt, and add pinch of cooking soda. This cooking soda, after you add, make sure you mix all of this mixture. If you want, you can add a little bit of oil. Even this will help to give that crunchy texture on the out. Now in this, add water and make a very thick batter first. Goes the water, make this into a thick batter. That's when there won't be any lumps. But if you add a lot of water and try to make the batter right away. There will be lumps. What happens? This mixing will make sure that all the lumps are broken. Now add the right amount of water and make this into a thin batter. Now when you put these mirchis in there, you will have a perfect bhaji. The batter becomes thin and this has to be finger coating, and that's when your chilies will be good. Consistency of the batter is so good. All you need to do is take these chilies, roll it in this batter, coat it well, put one after another in a medium hot oil till they are slightly colored. Fry them till they are slightly golden, and then we're going to let it cool down, cut it into pieces, and in the meanwhile our biryani is also getting cooked. Chilies have been fried, I have cut into pieces, and our raita will have these chilies. So fry them till they are nice and golden this time. When it is nice and golden, they will be nice and crunchy. We will get the raita ready, on top of which we can assemble them. You can even cut them even smaller. Nice crunchy chili bhaji is ready, and once the biryani is ready, we are going to serve it. The rice cooker is almost, the moisture is almost getting over. I just want to show you. So look at this, most of the moisture is getting evaporated. Now we will get this ready for the masala. Here I have got 1.5 teaspoon of butter. In this I am going to add the biryani masala. In this add a little bit of salt, mint leaf, mix all of this and keep it ready. Much of the moisture is absorbed. Still there is some bubbles here. The butter, the masala, everything, I am just going to pour it on the top. In the center, add some saffron water, and maybe if any more mint left, put the lid on, and in another 3-4 minutes this is going to trip off, and we are going to let another 5 minutes to go by, and then we are going to serve it. In the meanwhile, I am going to show you how to serve the raita. These chilies, I just want to put some chaat masala for the great flavoring, and then take these chilies, the big one in the center, and let rest of them sit around. I'm going to have this awesome chili oil, nice flavor, our raita, perfect and ready to enjoy. Even in the hotels, we make various kinds of oil like red chili oil, we make curry leaf oil, we have mint oil also. So because with the biryani, the mint flavor goes excellent. So just experiment. Now you will be wondering how this 5-star hotel food is going to be so awesome. That is because they use all these kind of oils. When you eat, take a bite of this, nice flavors will pump in and you will be saying, wow, whatever. So dear friends, our awesome ginger flavored chicken biryani is ready. So the way what I have done, I have mixed all of them and put them in the layers. Very carefully, just from the edges, move the rice in. The chicken pieces, yes, there are a lot of chicken pieces here. Along with those chicken pieces, serve it. And look at the rice, the chicken pieces and everything, so perfect. In this biryani, we have used the styles of the Chennai style biryani, Hyderabad style biryani, and we got this perfect. Best biryanis can be made at home, so simple and perfect. All I tell you, make it, try. Here I have got nice Mirchi Bajji ka Raita, and even with this is going to be excellent. All I tell you is keep cooking. Wow. Dear friend, get creative. Make best of the best food. When you make the best of the best food, keep saying Vareva. Chicken, full of flavor, and I hope you enjoyed today's session. And keep cooking, keep saying Vareva, and watch another Wow Magic with Chef Money.